These are micro adjust belts, handmade right here in the shop by us. Premium leather, solid brass hardware, and the rounded buckle so it doesn't dig into your gut all day. But what is micro adjust? Well, the one problem everyone always has with their belts is one hole's too tight, one's too loose. These little adjustments right here allow you to adjust your belt by 1/2 inch increments so it fits you exactly how you want for the lifetime of the belt. So check them out below.
All right. A gigantic unboxing of a whole bunch of cool stuff today. Another rare Sam unboxing. If you don't know who Sam is, it's me. I do the skate shoes stuff here at Anvil. I've worked behind the scenes for the last 5 years, doing a whole bunch of different stuff. I manage the YouTube team. I do a bunch of different stuff, but I also do all the skate shoe reviews. That's probably how you know me. A whole bunch of different skate-related stuff that I think is super cool that crosses over from skate into regular life. Should I just get into it? Let's just get into it. Yeah, we'll just start with this one. So, what knife am I using today? I'm using a NAFS Lander. I am not 100% which model it is, but it's super cool. I love rainbow trout, and so I saw this and I stole it. And I was like, I'm taking this. This is now my knife because I need a knife at my desk, and what are you gonna do about it? Stop me? I don't think so. So, let's chop this thing open. I'm terrible at going down the middle. All right, what do we have here? Remind Insoles. Remind's always they're sending us a bunch of different crazy insoles all the time. And these are actually kind of special because they are a girl collab. And if you don't know what girl is it's girl skateboards. They've been around forever, started by Mike Carroll. All right, we'll open all of them. We'll start with these ones. So we sent 2 samples of the girl collab, the Destin and new Rede Active. And 2 samples of the Cush with the new Gnar graphics as a follow-up to the quest for cushion. The Cush is our standout for shock absorption. We hope you enjoy them. If you have any questions, please let us know. I will enjoy them. We did that whole insole testing video, and the Remind insole did pretty good. I kind of put everything into 3 categories of support, response, and squish, and Remind did really well. Oh, so we got the girl graphic right here. I like the Destin. I think it's their most popular one. It's 5.5 millimeters thick. It's got a low arch. It's kind of like their most universal. It's not super gnarly. I really like these girl graphics. 3, that's a magic number. Perfect. Well, these are kind of fun. If you like girl skateboards, they're like one of the few skate companies I think has been around like since what I consider the beginning of street skating, I guess, the mid-90s. So we got that. Now let's open the Reeds. Let's see what the difference is between the Reeds. Oh, yeah, right, son. Yeah, right. That's like their most famous video ever. What's the difference between these? These look a little bit flatter, a little bit less arch in them. Oh, so this is 2D text. This one's got 3 layers. This one has 4. You can definitely tell this one's a little bit thicker. The Destin is definitely thicker than the Rede. I like the Destin, but I kind of like the Rede. I like the flat ones too. Okay, so we got these. Then we got the 2 new graphics of the Cush, which is a mid-high arch. So it might not be for everybody, but if you have a flat arch, oh yeah, look at that. You got the support around the sides. You got the nice graphic. I do like all the foot graphic. This is a gnarly arch comparatively. I don't know if you can see it in here. Like this one's like fully cupped and this one's just like flat. So there you go. You got the Cush there. And another crazy graphic of the Cush. This one's kind of scary, honestly. These are sick. And I will say, ever since I broke my ankle, I've noticed a big difference in different insoles. I used to think it didn't matter that much, but like, my left foot hurts after I've been walking for a while, so like more support is good. Okay, so we got the Dragon here. Where's the other one? So there you go, you got the 2 new, oh, it's the Walker Ryan Pro, okay. And Steve Caballero, oh, that makes sense. I should have read the names. Caballero, obviously after the half cab. The trick, the shoe, the man himself, and then Walker Ryan, another pro. Got the fancy blinds here, so sick. Thanks for sending those, Remind. Go check out Remind. Like, honestly, go watch the insole video that we did, and you'll get a better understanding of what insoles do. especially for skate insoles. Everyone's always like, do they do anything? I have no idea if they actually do anything or not. And the answer is in the video. Go watch it. You like that tease? All right, the next thing up. This is what I'm really excited for in this video. Let's get into it, I suppose. I've been seeing these around on social media. Village Psychics did a couple things on them, and I was like, those look sick. This is like a perfect crossover between people who skate and people who like boots, which is our huge audience, honestly. So, what do we have? Ooh, everything got crunched and shipping today. Greasers Legendary. Thank you, Sam, from Dean. Thank you, Dean. Thank you for sending these to me. Let's see them and we'll talk more about them. Oh, this is sick. Oh, they're so cool. Yeah, right. Dang, these are cool. Oh yeah, they smell pretty good too. Okay, so what are these? So Greaser's Legendary, as far as I know, it's pretty much just one dude, and he was really tired. Let me just read his email. Because I've been seeing these around. I didn't realize they were like a full-on skate shoe, but this is like, it's not like a skate shoe, it's like a post-skate shoe era loafer. Oh, this is tight. So, I don't know if you can see, but they got the braid. It's that cool old style. It's almost like I guess it is a mock toe, and then this is like a cord running through all these here. It just looks cool. It looks unique. I like anything that's different. It's kind of like a breath of fresh air for skating right now, because skating, I feel like skate shoes are in such a rut. Everyone just makes a dunk clone or just a clone of a shoe that already exists, and it drives me nuts. So here's some info from Dean, the one-man show behind Greasers. He said they're entirely handmade in Italy on a loafer last, so much more like a shoe than a sneaker. The cowhide is stiff at first but softens up quickly. The calfskin footbed will mold to your foot. My goal is to make something I felt cool wearing every day. I'm hesitant to call it a skate shoe, but I'm a skater, so it's in the shoe's DNA. Plus, we all know the feeling of looking down at a shoe that is so cool you just want to skate it, which I can completely agree with. Look good, feel good, skate good. And I have this problem where if I can't skate and stuff, I won't wear it. And I'm pretty sure he made a batch of only 100, and I got number 82 out of 100. Can you see that in there? So this is pretty much like, it's your adult skate shoe. Like, we got nice leather. Let's look at the website, actually, and look at the details of this shoe. So this is the Greaser's Legendary Trouble. We got designed in New York, handmade in Italy, full grain cowhide leather, calfskin lining, rubber cup sole, hand numbered batch of 100. So they're $195, which honestly for a handmade shoe from a small batch of 100 isn't too crazy for being $200, especially like the leather lining. I wonder if this is removable. Non-removable footbed. I'm not gonna take that out. Anyways, I just thought these are really cool because it's definitely a blend between like skate shoe and dress shoe. Maybe at the end of this video, I'll skate them and do some flips. So let's look at all the details here. So you obviously have this mock toe stitch going around the front, kind of like a nice loafer, like we've said. You got the decorative stitch right there. Pretty simple. You got the more skate outsole. It almost looks like a dunk outsole, but you have the stitch, the cupsole stitch along the side. It looks like it is real. Fully leather lined, which is a good touch. That's why I like those Warsaws, is because they are fully leather lined. Feels pretty soft and supple. I mean, to get a white leather, you pretty much have to like either paint it or put a coating on it or over dye it like crazy. Honestly, I just think it looks sick. Like, let's go back. They might have some better photos here. I think they have it in white and black. Anyways, I was just stoked on this company because it's just such a different looking shoe. And technically it's a skate shoe. I just think it's a breath of fresh air for skate shoes because I'm getting skate shoe fatigue, that's for sure. So I'll go to the last thing I'm gonna unbox in this video. Maybe I'll save these for a different video. I think I'm going to. I'll unbox them right now. So I have something cool coming up. We've just bought a couple new test machines to be able to do this, but notice this is a Carhartt bag and this does not look like shoes, does it? So, gotta be very careful to not cut the contents of this bag. If that would be sad for me. Woo! So we have your classic Carhartt loose fit wash duck utility work pant. It's your classic Carhartt jean. Some of my favorite. I'm actually wearing Carhartt double fronts right now. I pretty much wear these every single day because I like the weight of them. They're super cheap. So we got the Carhartt loose fits, not double front. You got the pocket, you got the utility pocket right there. This is a 38-30 because I have a complicated butt and I need a big size. So we got this, but what I'm really interested about is what's in this bag. Which is Carhartt Work in Progress, which is the European, more fashion subsidiary of Carhartt. I have the OG single knee pant, and I don't know if you can guess this or not, but I'm gonna do a Carhartt versus Carhartt WIP video to see what's really different between these two pair of pants, because they look pretty dang similar. The only difference is the price, because these are like $300, $275, and these are like 70 bucks. Which one would you pay more for? But I want to do a bunch of tests on them to be like, what's the actual difference between these? Because I have no idea. Like, everyone always says they're the same. They feel pretty similar. We're going to do a deep dive. I'm going to run all sorts of tests. Are there any differences I can feel right now? This one, the normal Carhartt feels a little bit less stiff, and this Carhartt feels a little bit looser, like softer. This is a size XL. It should fit me. I'll be doing some fit comparisons. We're going to be throwing them through. We got the abrasion test. We have a tension test. A tensile strength tester test is what that is. A whole bunch of different tests we're going to run all these pants through. So let me know what tests you would want to see out of a Carhartt versus Carhartt WIP Rose Anvil style video. That's something I'm very excited to do because I went to school for apparel design, outdoor product design and development. Shout out to USU. And that's what I really like. I've really liked clothes, but now I'm like fully into shoes. I never knew shoes were so sick until I started working here. So should we do a little try on of everything? Should I try on the pants or the shoes? Maybe I'll try on the shoes and we'll do the pants in B-roll at some point. So, what am I currently wearing? I'm wearing New Balance Andrew Reynolds 933 wide, because I'm going to have a wide shoe showdown coming up here pretty soon. I'm usually a 9.5 to a 10 on their site, the Greaser site. They said a 42 was about a 9 to 9.5 because the leather will break out quite a bit. Oh, yeah. I like these. Right off the bat, I'm glad I went with a 42 and not a 43 because these fit so good. And they look cool. They look like I'm about to go play. It's like me and Buddy Holly are about to go hang out for a while. I don't know if you can see these, how good it actually looks. Sick. Oh, these are tight. Ooh. Yeah, so I'm usually 9.5. I want 42. They fit perfectly. They're gonna break into. I think I might do like 100 kickflips in these just to see how they skate. That's what he suggested too. I did those 100 kickflips in the Air Force Ones. It's like the middest kickflips anyone's ever seen because my ankle's still healing, and I'm just not that good at skating. I'm the world's middest skater. Anyways, pretty excited for all this stuff. So shout out to Remind. Go get a Remind Insole. The Girl collab is out now. Oh, I totally forgot. Greaser sent us a code too. So if you want to get Greasers, you can get like 20% off. Or something. I'm actually wearing a Carhartt WIP shirt. I didn't even realize. Is that kind of lame? So if you use code GreasersXRose, you'll get 20% off any order. So he only made 100 of these. He's gonna wait to sell down to about 10 until he does a restock. But like these are, right off the bat, these are sick. It's like a nicer version of a sneaker. I don't know how else to say that. So shout out to Greasers. Check for the update. If I skate them on social media, maybe we'll tack it onto the end of this video. Get the Girl collab. Everything that I unbox will be linked below. And let me know what you guys want to see out of a Carhartt versus Carhartt WIP video, because I have a lot of ideas and I'm really curious to see if they're any different. So anyways, that's it for me. Yeah, peace.